Abusha mema wo akwa abasronko edo aba ras media GH so. Abusianfo said ye nyina yenim no. Ochra a 2nd of September 2025. Ena yebeye Akwatia by election. Akwatia by election a enam sabio mra shebadwani a yefrene Ernest Kumi a okaba bi na ojina mu ema Akwatia man ewo MPP amanyo ku mu ewo parliament no se de nyina enim no okaba bi ama ye ne 1 week observation nyina wie aye na yie nyina wie na ochina ena se yankopom pa yebeye ne so by election na ye de yi mrahye badwani foforo amana kogina akwatiafo anan mu ewo Ghana mrahye badwamu na we mu na ena na ye the final election, the final campaign, because Ghana mrahye ho asese a day before elections, 24 hours before the elections, yenye campaign, yen kasa, yenye hwe, or say unye campaign na emani wie before the 24 hours before the campaign. Now we mu ena MPP from point 4, any NDC from point 4, akopie mu ewo sebio Akwatia wanchi Akwatia ne enkron kaya aka omoye omo campaign said de be ya ochina abato no ebekoso na amanyoko menu nyina ehwe se omo nyina no ombetumi awene na omo agi seat no ede aka one seat ewo da ho kai wo se MPP sesi ameno kase na omo kita 108 no omo kita 88 seats, but with the death of our this MP no ama MPP for ne omo kura sabio 87 and this for eda so kita 183 and I'm say tamale seat no MPP for declare say omonko enko contest and am the omonim say ato Muntala Mohammeda yankopon fa ne kransie ye owu ye enam sabio akwanhia eto no abra na omofri Accra e de helicopter eko oboase a yankopon eji won kra free won sam abra helicopter no eko crash ye na we ntino enam so ama MPP mpanyfo ni NDC mpanyfo akopie ma obiye ne campaign messages omode maaye as a last message no from the various important figures omo party ahodo no ena maboa no a me de operewe te message nyantobase na me no nyina yembo nwuram na yentie videos the message ahodo a MPP for mpanyfo ene NDC for mpanyfo edema akwatiafo se omo nyina so na omo mfanto omo aba enti me no nyina enwuramu na enkotie the last messages amanyoko akese mienu wei mpanyfo de koye message also say ne and your first time I subscribe to this channel, Ras Media. Now for us, AC Adomano so said the video be atuma be one of the first people on Sabeka video no be no more. William say had a political update and the bro. Now we share you na your video no your fan chiama babra amate jaru kwaku apia me who watch pa yeah what to say you would have na yen share and free from the various angles of the situation. Abusha, Canada Agyapong, awurem ayo, why hard pa. Kwaya Canada Agyapong jina so a oye campaign no war Akwatia no efe. Kwaya wafa so a oye ne campaign. Yewura Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia nso ekopie mu ho. Ono so send a message, but unlucky the media is limiting all the message Yewura Dr. Bawumia at the buy. Asiedu Nketiah nso akasa ne nsema okaye. And also Yebeka Huasem. So na Julius Debra, Minister, I can say Chief of Staff, and also I can ask them Akwatia for. And now Ochiriba feel so, and then the seat in Ankasa, what is what say MP or the either ato online say MP before when they seat we are, or no, he will resign as an MP. Yenny kind of yentie, Sabio, and Sama, Yeria. Ochiriba fi editor Akwatiafo anim na ensem no bi wo ho amu ede pa yewia Ochiriba fi say he don't want to see police omobeba na sabio omode max akata onanim yenti Ochiriba fi na yemra sisia tie
sounding this caution, okay, that we do not want to see masked police, police. We don't want to see any. And this goes to the IGP. I have already posted this out. We don't want to see masked police people. Every police officer must have their name tag, and we should see the face of the person. Otherwise, we will treat the person as a tag. The NDC are organizing to bring tags. Here there will be a showdown here, because we are not here for experiment. Do you understand? We are not here for an experiment. We will not allow people to come and play with our lives. Not at all. I want a peaceful election. I have come to meet a peaceful society. I want to finish and go and live a peaceful society. But if some bad people are planning that for them to win, they have to come and engage in voter suppression, they want to come and misbehave, that's why we will not allow it. Nobody will. So we are also here in our full force. And by the grace of God, if they want a showdown, we are ready for a showdown.
And very, very, very clear. Or say, NDC Fuagada Omoho said they want to come with Nipa Bino Munya police for no Munya soldier for. Number no Munya tax or Munya Juma demand this is or more, but no more by disassessment. Said the Baya Akwatia phone Piabonting and Kotuaba. And here we say or two challenge their man, the police IGP Tokonu say, already who ye pa say. Or the police for Ankasa and the Beba now Omwabe supervise the election that is going on. Here we are, or Chilba few and one funds you are, or say NPP has a frontal or more prepare who organize your boho in a manner say it is sure say the MPP is going to win this by election. Now one funds you are, or say Cassie Susu be a mumpo say. So MPP for and win this election where you are no or chiba fee. Obejai na konya oteso e Parliament e dia to ho. Enam say the niema wa hu no Akwatia ho no said ye tie bia the MPP will win. Yentie sa video no na yemra.
Telling you, mark my words. I can even tell you that if we lose this election, I'll resign as a member of Parliament. I'm telling you, we'll win these elections. We'll win. If we lose these elections, I'll resign as a member of Parliament. I'm telling you, we'll win. By close of day Tuesday, you see that we have won elections. And that's what, because I believe the work we have done and the God we serve. The God we serve is a good God, and He has given us hope that we'll win elections. Thank you.
And here we are, Chilba, Finasema Oka, and I'll say, dear wire, dear Juma NPP for wire, any young coupon or Taiwan a chi, any young coupon was soon in Tino. Said ye Tibiano. Kwame a summa do our Ujinamu, and the Ama NPP, said ye Tibiano, or Benrene, this election a coso. Now, bra, young to the another party, the NDC party, so Eden Sem Abegu upon 10. Now, the same will be a city. Already, Jacopo. As there will be a city for what you will tell you. You will appoint Julius Deborah and the Honorable Chief of Staff say, John Daragadramani Mahama, Afrena Bonamani say, Opese on the Benin, Bediako, and Yejuma. Bernard Bediako, a Nipana O Jinamu in the name of the NDC for this by election. And Julius Deborah said, Mahama friend in phone so I can't say Ombra no me can't tell Akwatia for say no Mahama no he wants to work with that man the friend Richard Bediako because o see Richard Bediako no e obi ohia no pa say obeka na aban ho na ode abu omai yentie nsem a Judas Debra ekai mama o se be mfa ne kraso ko mmremo o so chiamo nyina wa fepo pa Unyaya Ankoni Oha, Asusanya Muni Otukwa kwa Chichi Japan, Etiama Waye Kakra, it was me for the cram remo. Nemo Adia Hiani Titru, and he said, Hamua, Mumma lawyer, Emmekane Ongo Abemu, Sebea Munya Bibia, a Bebena so, no Ake, no Abea Mamu. Lawyer Bernard, Bibia wouldn't let me do anyone. Only that find that. Namika, a brother, brother, no, Nakuni, I owe there. and to win in Sama, Julius Debra, the chief of staff, and the better about say Mahama Sumano. And this is what everybody teaches of who. I see you, Mahama, shut that friendly phone so I catch her. They say, Omra Akwatia, on my country, Akwatia for say, or no, John Mahama, no, or Bernard, and then no, Abu Ghana, mine, and Nindia Bernard the war. Enti Akwatia mine, say, how Akwatia mine at Tio, say, how more. Omonto aba enfama Bernard Bediako na onko ginam e wo parliament ho emfa support the NDC na onsanso nyina mu enfama Akwatia enkrofo ana se kwatiafo ma na yemfa nsie beko yanim ye wo ho ana Asiedu Nketiah kokroko Asiedu Nketiah so edere di aba na Asiedu Nketiah minim edu ba bia bisam se na papa yi oye comedian na ye sheda na echichiri ma na ono ani ni sunu ne bai se na tie di nti ameka ne sa abusia Asiedu Nketiah can different story kura Asiedu Nketiah say omo na omo kita the numbers in the parliament na omo no sa na mba no kro omo mfa anya hwe but the Akwatia mind a ono no Asiedu Nketiah obe prese omonto abama NDC candidates no nko parliament because e ba ne sa nana yemfa ne sen John Darigandra Mani Mahama opeso mra meye project a obenya obi e dia fa ne so ama project no aba Akwatia mamu but asem we Asiedu Nketiah kana me bisa mo se interest MP ni nye NDC MP a abani ntinye project o constituency o nsamo wi asio yewura mu adenti yewura Asiedu Nketiah so de okan mi wi awo so kofu mechia na mi wi aba Grace Donko wo so mechia ye pa sanso na mechia ka chiri ahofe na act star James na verse Amon wo so mechia ye pa busia like video no na share na subscribe to the channel na beka abusia ku no fonsesi adoma no so se de be ya the video tuma wonsa ebeka na tentem yentie Asiedu Nketiah nsema odi tudwa ewa Akwatia abonten so
emu bia MP ni wa obeka sama Akwatia nokura ana media nanka misusu se MPP fo no na wo se wo mo jai sa city mai efri se yani a president teteso yani edisi wa ha ye pe MP abesemu na wo mo afa adwene e de aprempuntu amam sabre NDC ewo 2/3 majority ewo parliament dia ye pese ye bia ye betime ayo na 88 no ode ba akoko kan sese 87 ode ba akoko kan ho a 88 stay muntimi nya we dia mbetime aya ne workout ne press conference Empia oko pre ekwaye bremo oko pre ensupa bremo oko pre suku adaya bremo oko pre ajuma bremo anamu pre empia oko na ye ka semba ku mienu a o say workout wo mo sori na ya koye press conference bo so mesu a wakoji na katua di na sede wanji akwantie no na sa na te ana enti sese mejira ha lawyer beka ya ho a 2/3 no wo ho no beka ya ho a na ya pebi asuma no ade Akwatia mpuntu aba ya benye obi na ade afane so no de aba enti MPP NDC CPP ufri hankwa ya wadwe se ya open mpuntu a ya mfama lawyer Bernard Bediako
enti asem wey na Asiedu Nketiah so e to abonten se sesi ameno kasai NDC abanyo ko no kita to test ewo parliament ho na e wo se MPP mom na any consent come contest this seat, because according to Asiedu Nketiah, no, the MPs in the Parliament, only press conference, walkout, and the stage. Now, Eduba be in same or Honipa be counting on say, now they are some now okay. I don't send this MPP phone to me here. Omo to me bibia, and this omo stage, omo walkout, omo press conference, efa ho day. Nke we nyamasam. Because according to you, mukita 2/3 of parliament, ubetuma ye dia mo pebia. Asiedu Nketiah san echechire mu ko say, ene the MC and as a DC or Akwatia constituency hono. Oyen DC ni entre o say Akwatia fo nto abama Bernard bediako na onkoka and DC fo ho. Said ye be ya onu betumi ni DC no afa adwene na omudi development aba Akwatia ho. Asem na ento aso because say to Abama was a president, automatically you become a president of all, no matter either somebody voted for you or he did not voted for you. Pacho tie me pa. Enti asem we Asiedu Nketiah kan, odwene ho awonte ase. What is the sense in it? Do you want to tell me say because Akwatia 4 voted for Neskumi, you didn't do any project? Do you want to tell me that the other district hold on now Moaka, Sabio, omo MPs, every MPP amanyo konum no, mo chiche o mino eboto musika na omo nsanka bia na. Eye question no, utimi chire wa adwen e wo comment section ho. Sansem we Asiedu Nketiah kan, e chire pefe say, enipa bi say he don't deserve to lead a political party. Papa won't even go to about man 2028 say omra medigana so because nsem oka ya na akoye bibie ho menya kwasi asamoa ni mo akwa bapa asem when Asiedu Nketiah kan such nipa wadi politics e na bra bo munyira. Look at this commenter or the eto abonte. It doesn't make sense. Na yewura mu biem na yenko yanim na yenko the another camp which is the MPP camp. Yewura Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia, the contestant for the flag bearership of the MPP in 2028 general election. And Kennedy Akompre Agyapong ono nso so ye contestant for the MPP elections 26 January. Kennedy Agyapong Babonten ebe ka kire Akwatia say you have to hold it strong. Montra ho ma yemfa tuo ne agyan ne sekan ne ehurehura enye dan intimidate mo mamon mamon ntwe mo ho enkotre fi anase mo nkese mo nkwankoto aba o say MPP for mo constituency ho nyina mo mpia bonten na mo mra na mo beto aba na esro de bi ni ho because omo nyina omo nkotra ho akoto aba enya abotre ahwede be ko nyina o say ma no de moto aba ni wi a Monkofi na monkoda. The Marimane dear, we are going to sit down there and watch. Say everything about the election will be concluded before Ansana Obibe free ho akofia. Yentie Kennedy ohene Agyapong emra sisia. Mimia Stephen Idan emo akwa papa.
Esi abule kubano. That guy also. We are going to protect every voter in this constituency and make sure sir obia casting a vote abra entokwa NCA. We are law abiding party. Ne momno omu bisia ye betwa obia nya ba mancha obia ya mami enyinsa ya bosume nkron wa wodi apa wo kra na wa bosume tu adeti na atira mani pada sani esisi the muslim what a brother munya kukudro nam kodi line no so obia tulaba sa utu abani wia e ba e metie mo nu ya wo boy osie wo mo ponesia o kire se ampa mo koko na mo suo bia eba no mi ensa obi a mejira police station na wo hwe bi Never young man. Once you man come back boxes in after. A police person will catch them more. You respect them. You come on. The man will be at the Amoya Wablikumano. Moya, you baba must show down. Trouble. If you say a police force in a half, now you're Pejaka Brani actually. Be to me a carry and not defend yourself. I said defend yourself. By 3 o'clock, we will be at the polling station to man the polls, and we shall see the men in this country.
The way so and a yensama Kennedy Agyapong and so editor Bonten say a man people ni be ansro so be Pia Bonten so kwakotwaba because the day of it, they are going to make sure say protection will be given to every candidate or every voter. Say obia entimi hunahunu obia e wo kro because ye wo ye nyina ye nsen ye nyina boso menkro. Until the ballot box also it will be protected. And I'm the Akwatia, and I'm for to for him to say Jack Shine. A man for a man for in the front of the police, What's the Sanya Mani, This Akwatia by elections, it will not and can never happen because the MPP is going to stand on its feet and make sure say no cheating will happen there. Timmy. So who's MPP a united force? This is why we always fight on the media. No, when Tiana ye drama. Some people call that in a war. So they are the strongest force of politics or political organization in the country. And you no doubt. Now, enam to binum I cook sunti. And I might say, Kayako yes, MPP. Party be any other. But so they are the strongest force in the country, and it is obvious. It's way and a Agyapong and the eto abontain. Now Abusia, we Akwatia ni na obeto aba mpese me more foto kakra be ansa na yatie Dr. Bawumia so na sema okaye. It's important say there will be a strong opposition in Parliament, no matter if they have 3/3 or 4/3 or all the MPs. Bawumia, Sebekaya, but then this is for sure, say no more artificial dollar stability. No. MP before actually when I saw catch up, say munyam to badi moya nem fata. Meboa. And this is for sure, say more the tax a hold you see on kratem the begu Ghana for so. Say nye the opposition party or more adwene do obotima. Enka sanse mi bia no kayente when be born ho so ana omo ayi kude na ukotopa try say atum but you don't know the outcome of that increment. In the opposition there ewa manyo semu ewa man bia oye democrat bia no opposition is very important. And yes akoye military regime they are buying a pe and oye opa no bebo amanye opa omo amanye. So strong opposition in every democratic dispensation is very, very, very important. In 2 years, Akwatia ni no beto aba to abama MPP ni no. Now omuntumi standing on their feet as 88 members of Parliament. Now omuntumi nyeden and making awareness, increasing awareness to the population. For politics to nchen we your politics asemo. We here to defend yourself because obviously MP before the car sent Ghana for Abontan, it is credible. You will listen and you go through, and we will put pressure on the president for him to what? To decide not to continue doing them. And to be trouble Akwatia or China to Abama MPP, not the opposition and yes strong force. Said the Beya on to defend the interest of all Ghanaians in the Parliament. Yen to asene nkoti Yewura Bawumia. Yewura Bawumia e kan sem bebre e wo bra oni Akwatia fo koshia ya na oni omo edi komo. But I don't know why the only video outer possible so better voice in the year baby I know church them say enam pressure NDC MP na already last time no the tone so the tone Yewura NS commission no and my NS commi enya high pressure and I'm no so and no but Dr. Bawumia can say when nipa bi no mo ni mu nyansa edi kasakasa they don't understand how pressure can get some. Amanfo nim say pressure timi kum nipa o. Amanfo nim say pressure timi kum nipa. Amanfo bi o ma adwen say o mu nim say adwendwene etimi ma nipa wu. Amanfo nim say o blood pressure etimi ma wu. Omo say enye nokore. I didn't tell doctor kasa. But if you listen intellectually, it will show you say asema Yewura Bawumia kan ye no e nokore. Yentie video no na yen samra studio. Like video no na share mama.
Na pressure na ekoso court no be di asem no be June 11 for na court no say ampa only the rightfully elected member of Parliament for Akwatia. So no be 26 days per and free 26 days they are not ODA lawyer, ODA making a court. Some lawyer no say now also original am I in this for. Let me say thank you for Akwatia for Mama Fasa Akoniano and Manasa lawyer. Young from Solomon. Asiedu Nketiah Bibia Enes Kase obeye ama Akwatia no ebabua Asiedu na waye ama Akwatia.
And she said Yewura Dr. Bawumia kan ye. According to sources no lawyer na no gina mu say or contest for the NDC no ono mom na ye lawyer na all defended the then NDC candidate ya na all challenges enye Kumi Ernest and awene the elections abra ye hwehwemu wie bibia beto abontre se ono na eye den ewene ye enti Yewura Dr. Bawumia say Akwatia fonto abapa na omo empointe Solomon Asiedu as the what the candidate or as the MP for the Akwatia constituency. In some way, and I aboabo ano say ye de brewo. Bimia Jaru Kwakuapi as a frater correct me with the date or say I will be surprised if Ghanaians in Akwatia vote for NDC with all what is happening since December 7th, 2025. That is since January 2025. Yes, that was Siyepa. Abusia same way and amede brewo eha ras media GH. You are watching me also on Kennedy Agyapong Junior on Facebook. Make sure say modern na subscribe to this channel. Na found sanso esi adoman so say the beya ye den sem bia ba obeye one of the first people to hear what we have for you. Until we meet again, Abusia, muchacha mu nyina. Adios abusiamfo.